start it up. Tinita na. Ready, Dad? Okay. Good? Yep. Sounds good. Alright. Porsche Turbo. We'll take a right. Shit! Still. I don't like this. Slow down the chain. Cut the chain. Let them DC the chain. Do that. Okay, stop. No. Slow down on that. I don't like this. Oh my god. Chin up everything. Chin up and I'm gonna go down. Fine. Yeah. I don't like. I heard. Wait, you don't understand. Hindi na ako na check ko. I'm not feeling well yet. No, because of that. Putang na ako na mas masakit ko na kay. Attack ko na kay. You like that? No. Oh god, I feel bad. What? What do you mean you feel bad? I feel dizzy. It's too much. Wow. Just going out to take pictures of the turbo. Quick as hell. My dad came for the test drive. So Dad, what do you think of it? Oh, the best car. Fast. Did you have fun? Fast and Furious, no. What? No. What do you mean no? Why? No. Yeah, almost have a heart attack. What? Why? I don't know. It's too fast. Good, right? Yeah. No. Thumbs up? Yeah, there you go. Beautiful.